Welcome to day 7, and today we release the tension built up over the entire week.
Recovery is just as important as movement, especially at this stage of life.
Exhale slowly as you hinge forward, lowering your hands toward your knees. Exhale again and reach past the knees, touching the toes gently. Pause here for a moment, bringing your awareness inward. Gently stretch the neck to one side, keeping the pressure light and controlled. Switch sides slowly, continuing to breathe with ease. Now, raise your right arm overhead, bend the elbow, and use your left hand to gently pull it back, stretching the tricep. Release and change sides, moving without strain.
Bring the arm across the body, opening the shoulder and upper back.
Let your eyes follow your hand, allowing the stretch to deepen safely. Reach both arms overhead and lengthen upward, opening the side body. Now we're going to hinge forward and lift one toe, stretching the hamstrings gently. Switch legs slowly, maintaining balance and control. Lower yourself down to the floor, taking your time. Gently rotate the knees side to side, slowing everything down. Lie on your stomach and lift arms and chest and legs, engaging the back muscles.
Hold briefly, then slowly release back down.
This routine supports flexibility, strength, and recovery over time.
You showed up for yourself today, and that effort truly matters.